today we're going to talk about vibrato. You may have seen cellists do this wobbly thing with their left hand, and it makes a really nice singing tone. And we normally start vibrato about grade 3 or grade 4, but we can actually start this a bit sooner, just getting used to what your arm should be doing. So we can have lots of long slides up the whole fingerboard, not pressing, just gliding up and down with your arm, getting used to what your arm is doing. And then what we can do is maybe just sort of relaxed fist is pretend we're polishing our strings. You can go at different speeds, a fast polish or a nice slow polish with your hand just nice and relaxed, like that. And then what we can do is make that nice C shape in between the strings. And then we're going to slide our fingers. So it's in between the D and the G string. So you're not pressing any strings down. So you're just polishing your fingerboard with your fingers up and down. Then what we're going to do is just try our second finger and our thumb. And our thumb goes behind our second finger to get that nice C shape with our hand. So just your second finger is going to run up and down the fingerboard. Now this only really works if you've got nice short nails, so just remember that when you're playing the cello that you need short nails. Now what we're going to do now is pretend that our thumb has got stuck behind the fingerboard on a bit of jam. It's a bit sticky there, but your second finger and arm are going to still try and do some polishing. Obviously it can't go as far doing that, but it's doing that sort of thing. And then we're going to get our second finger stuck opposite our thumb. We're not squeezing with our fingers, we're just a little bit just stuck there. And then our arm is still trying to do that polishing. And that is basically your vibrato wobble. Yeah, so we're just going from a wider, we did the long ones, and then we've got down to shorter ones. And now we've got our thumb and our second finger as if they're stuck on a bit of jam, and get that nice and wobble. Now if you get tight or got tension in that hand at any stage, just try and stop, shake your hand out nice and floppy, and then try the whole process again, gliding up and down, keeping nice and relaxed. And even when you get to this, we're going to keep nice and relaxed. So we're going to do that without our bow quite a lot. It's quite good to do that. But ultimately, when you use your bow, try not to stiffen up. We need to try and keep that chilled, relaxed hand. So to start having a go of those exercises, just start having a go at that and start seeing if we can get down to that vibrato, just starting on your second finger, and then we can progress from there. Okay, have fun with that. Bye.